How to connect Subway Surfer account to Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on search icon. Now tap on search and search for Subway Surfer. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, tap on play. Tap on the cross icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on settings. Now under Facebook, tap on connect and wait for some time. Now after tapping on connect, you might be asked to log in into your account. Now simply log in into your Facebook account and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.